Hello everyone, today we're gonna try to do a volcano again as we done in the nursery. We need something what will pretend to be our volcano. We need some vinegar, water, food coloring, baking soda and fairy liquid. To our pretend volcano we're gonna add 2 spoons of soda. And then we're gonna add 2 spoons of water. Good. Now we're gonna squeeze a little bit of fairy liquid. Few drops here. Nice. Now we're gonna mix it so we have nice smooth liquid. To make our lava red, we are going to add some food coloring into the vinegar mixture. We mix it, mix it. Thank you. So now we take everything away, including the vinegar, and we can prepare some covering for our volcano so it looks more like volcano. Then we can see if we have the right mixture. Can you pour it? Ready, steady, go! Yes! Shall we stop now? So we have nice eruption and we catch all the lava into the tray, and the volcano's going soaking wet now with our lava. For parents, you can do this experiment in your bathroom, in the bath, under the shower, or in the garden, or even in the front yard, to avoid the smell of the vinegar. Thank you for watching. Have fun.